The origin of tea dates back more than 5,000 years in China, where it has been consumed since ancient times. According to legend, Emperor Shennong, considered the father of Chinese medicine, discovered the beneficial properties of tea by chance when he boiled water under a wild tea tree. Tea leaves would have fallen into the water, and the emperor would have found the resulting drink refreshing and beneficial to health. Since then, tea has become an important part of Chinese culture and has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Tea cultivation has spread to other countries in Asia, such as Japan, Korea, and Vietnam. Production methods in tea varieties vary by country and region. For example, in Japan, green tea is the most popular variety, while in India, black tea is more common. The tea is obtained from the leaves and buds of the Camellia sinensis plant, which is native to China and India. Depending on the method of production, the leaves can be made into green tea, black tea, white tea, oolong tea, and yellow tea. The differences between these tea varieties depend on how the leaves are picked, processed, and dried. Tea has become a popular beverage around the world over time, in part thanks to European colonial expansion in the 17th and 18th centuries, which introduced Europeans to new beverages and foods. Today, tea is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, with a wide variety of varieties and flavors available. Tea lovers appreciate this beverage for its aromatic complexity, variety of tastes, ability to aid relaxation, low calorie content, and numerous health benefits.